Can we block a YouTube channel on mobile device? Hello everybody, welcome back. In today's video, we will be finding out that. So let's just get started with the video. First of all, open up the YouTube app on your device. And once you access it up, you can basically search for the YouTube channel that you would like to block or find it from your home page. For example, let's say this is the YouTuber that I would like to block. So when you head over to their page, you will be finding a subscribe option and other different tabs available. So if you'd like to block them, at the top right corner, you should be finding a three dot. Tap on it. And when you tap on it, here you will be finding a menu with different options available. So as you can see, we do not have the option of block on YouTube. YouTube has removed that feature, but we have this option called hide user from my channel. So you can tap on it, and when you do so, it will basically hide the user's existing and future comments, or the video is also available. If possible, it will do so. Otherwise, what you can do is basically when the YouTuber's video appears on your home screen, tap on the three dot right beside the video, and you will be finding an option called not interested or do not recommend channel. You can use these two options or the option that I showed earlier in order to kind of block YouTube channel on mobile, as YouTube does not have a designated block option on mobile. So therefore you may try this following options and see if it works. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And if you have got any questions, you can just drop them down below.